In this video, I'm going to be showing you the brand new Phantom series case, our thinnest creation yet for the iPhone 12 range. Over the last few videos, I've shown you the Classic and the Forge series cases, and now I am proud to announce the release of our brand new Phantom series case. All of the Phantom series cases come with this presentation box for a truly special unboxing experience. Let's have a look inside. As soon as you open the box, you'll notice one of our LA Carbon Fibre cards, which will invite you to connect with us through Instagram, Facebook, as well as LinkedIn. Moving on to opening the case, you've got the LA Carbon Fibre pouch, which you can open up to reveal your brand new Phantom series case. The case is finished off in a matte lacquer, visually stunning and a truly unique texture. You can actually feel the weave on the surface. This brand new case is made from 100% aramid fibre. It's a material that's also used in military and aerospace applications for things like ballistic rated body armour, reinforcement, all thanks to its strength and resistance to heat. This latest generation Phantom series case is an astounding 0.65 millimeters thick. We've even adjusted the shape of this brand new case to extend further so it offers protection for your screen whilst leaving enough space for you to install a screen protector. Your camera is also protected thanks to this rigid raised surround. The case has been precisely formed to offer an accurate fit. Moving over to the side of the case, you'll notice that the case has been specifically designed to offer protection all the way around your buttons. At the bottom of the case, you'll notice that the charge point and speakers are also easily accessible whilst offering surround protection. Contactless payments, wireless chargers and MagSafe chargers will all work with this case, and of course your mobile phone reception will be unaffected whilst you use it. It's a beautifully crafted case, fully protective, that lets you enjoy your phone at the size Apple designed it. These Phantom series cases are available for the iPhone 12 with the 6.1 inch screen, the iPhone 12 Pro with the 6.1 inch screen again, but this time with a slightly different camera surround. And then of course you've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the top of the range handset with the 6.7 inch screen. And in the coming weeks, we'll have the iPhone 12 mini Phantom series case available. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video gave you an insight to what these Phantom series cases are like. I've left links in the description below for these cases if you did want to have a closer look. Of course, if you've got any questions, feel free to use our live chat. Our live chat is probably one of the easiest ways to get hold of us. And of course, if you're on Instagram, you can follow our journey and see what we're up to on a more regular basis. And thank you very much for watching. Take care.